Good morning. It's 6:45. I was supposed to do my wig last night, but I was too tired, so I don't have time for too much talking, guys. Let's just get to it. I've said this before. I just think this is an extra step. I mean, like, if you can control the glue from not damaging your edges, and you know it, I don't want to say if you know what you're doing, but if you just know how to get it on the hairline without damaging your edges when you take it off, then you don't need a wig cap. But it's recommended. I'm just not doing it.
Smiling. It's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be mad.
Probably gonna wrap my hair and put a beanie on and really nigga it so no niggas talk to me. Cute people don't even come up to you anymore, so I'm gonna wrap this hair and I'm not taking it out until it needs to be taken out. So let me get assistance.
Yes, they all say, yo, y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like boy, man, I'm Rambo with yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo with yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake.